That's some manual labor right there. Sometimes if you want to be a gardener, it takes manual labor, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah. Now shush. Trying to get my work done.
That's right. Well, what did we decide to do back here?
Make a patio.
Yeah. So we're going to level this out and put a really informal, homemade, do-it-yourself patio with our paver stack. And Blake is working hard and making huge muscles in his arms, bringing them over.
Dirt in my eye.
And he's battling dirt and bugs. But, Cleo, want to help us? Can you dig some of that dirt out? Miss. Squat, lift, miss.
I actually made
You
it.
did make it. Lift. Total miss. Total miss. Oh, God. Fail. Good job on that one. Let me show you how it's done. Oh, boy. I'm right behind you.
He's
This might go
done.
right to your head. Up and over. Oh!
Ah,
fail.
pull him from the game.
Watch out. This may be a
Watch
problem.
out, buddy.
Let me show you how it's done. Oh, I could totally fail. That's a high fence. That is really not a smart move to put it
Yes,
over
it
there.
is.
Yeah, baby.
You only have a couple shovelfuls, folks. Come on.
Oh, really? Says the cameraman.
Let's not make a day of it.
Oh! That's some heavy dirt. All right. Look out, Junior. Oh, jeez. All right, so let's level the rest of this out and get these patio level. This is a DIY patio. This could be a major epic fail.
Five or five. Epic fail.
Oh, on God. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, bear interference.
Let's not horse around.
Yeah.
Come on, proper garden etiquette, please.
Oh, you gotta have fun too. Can't be all work and no play. Oh, all right. I'll probably lose a digit. All right, let's see if we can level it up. Oh God, the germs.
You're like an old lady that's not patient.
Did he really just say that? I'm like an old lady. Oh my God, and I just got my hair done.
You're like an old woman.
Oh my God. I have to teach you some manners. Forget gardening chores.
No.
We're gonna have to go to manner
No,
class.
you're doing this like you're smashing on the dirt like this.
Do you think old ladies do that? Hey, get out of my garden.
This is what I'm gonna do.
Cleo, get your paws out of there. A big freaking nuisance. All right, watch out. Let me take this pile up. So
Look
I
at
don't
it's not level.
poop on it. Watch out. No, spots will need to be leveled up, but all right, let's go. What's next in the pattern, Blake?
What is it?
Small one right there.
Good. Good enough. Watch those fingers. Nope, don't throw them in. Line it up nicely because they don't slide. So you almost have to line them up like this. Watch. See, if you slide them, it gets this edge of dirt in there. You almost have to line it up and just let it fall in nice. See that? As nice as it's gonna fall. What's next?
We need a big one, Blake.
No.
Yes.
Big, big, small. Big, small?
Big.
You were
Wait.
the king of patterns in preschool, remember? Otis. It's not a dog walk, darling.
Otis,
Nice one.
what do you think, buddy? We need to put a fire hydrant over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all we need.
That way-
Mr. Otis to take a leak in my garden.
Well, keep them from peeing on your plants.
It's true. It will never keep them. There's too many plants they hit every day. Hold on, Blake. We got a little mountain over here.
I'm gonna jam this.
You know what? I think this side of the garden was much lower. I feel like we are way off elevation here.
Yeah. Got it. Look at that.
Oh, hi, handsome. Oh, thank you.
Wait, did he look you for
Stinky breath. Ugh.
Oh,
Hi, boys.
Ziggy's jealous.
Yep. Oh, watch out. Watch Otis's toes. Blake, you're doing a good job, buddy.
Dad,
Alright,
we're
watch out.
out
Get-
of squares.
Go on, Otis, get. He's not only the child laborer, he's the executive producer.
Hey, Dad.
What's that, buddy?
More bricks. More rectangles.
More bricks?
Yes,
Oh.
more
Oh.
rectangles. What?
No, what was that?
See, we don't bring in the stunt workers. We actually do all the work ourselves here.
Yes. That's a pink spider. I don't know what it is.
Take a video.
Weird.
Picture.
Got it.
Good. Go.
Interesting. Another insect I've never seen before in the garden. Have you? You ever seen a
Killing
pink
it.
spider?
I'm killing it.
Oh, stop. You know what? That's really not nice to even say. We have to go get our book of insects and try and figure out what he is. He has a really cool back on him. Check him out.
What's next to him?
It's a little plant sprout.
Can I touch him?
What do you think?
Yeah.
No. We don't really touch things if we don't know what they are, just because if he bites. Roar! Woo! He didn't like that roar either. All right, we'll leave you be. Later.
We try not to kill any insects
Yeah, I do.
while filming these episodes. What do you mean? Except for the lily bugs or whatever.
Red lily beetles.
Lily beetles, poor things.
Well, look how many lilies I have.
Yeah,
If
well,
I didn't have some type of hand picking control, they would completely decimate every lily patch I have, and there's no point in having them. All right, let's
I'm
go.
sure a carrot farmer has rabbits. So,
That is the stupidest analogy I've ever heard. All right, let's go.
Think I killed a slug. Why?
take it elsewhere. I'm trying to enjoy nature out here. These pugs make more noise.
This looks like it's sloping down to me, but we'll see what happens. Can you stomp on that, Blake? Jump, jump, jump. Good.
Ready?
Watch out.
Now we're over here.
You've definitely made some serious progress here. Looks like Mom's doing all the work, though.
I'm leveling. It's very tedious to level a very unprofessionally laid pad of dirt.
I'm not saying you weren't doing work either, though. You did a lot of work today. Your mother helped a little bit.
Excuse me?
Mom?
Oh!
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, Mom did all the work.
Sure.
It looks great. What do you have planned for this patio?
No, furniture, making a house.
Really?
I want to put heaters in a closet, a door.
Cool, you want to live there? Oh my god,
That'd
that's
be
a
great.
whole other project.
You ready to move out, are you?
I think the spiders would come up through the floor though.
This the foundation for your future right here?
No, I'm putting like concrete to cover it.
Oh,
Yeah.
concrete pad.
I don't know if the building inspector would give us a permit for that.
We got some shaky bricks in there, but I'd say it's not a half bad job considering it's DIY with kids.
And, you know, it was kind of spontaneous, too.
It really
We
was.
just decided to do it out of the blue.
And you know what? Now I have to go to antique shops and find 2 wrought iron chairs and a table.
Oh, wonderful.
And my husband's going to buy me an early Mother's Day present and let me purchase them.
Oh, can't wait.
Yeah.
Not only did I work for free today, it's going to cost me about 300 bucks. Wonderful. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. Until next time.